Annuity due. Annuity for which payments or receipts occur at the beginning of each period. I stress again, this is at the beginning. So look at year 1 period. 0 is the beginning and 1 is the end of year 1. So the payment occurs at the beginning. I stress again, annuity due occurs at the beginning of each period. The present value of an annuity due uses the formula. Take a look at the formula. It's very similar to ordinary annuity. Both formulas is very similar, except the difference is that you have times 1 bracket 1 plus k. So this is the only difference. Illustration 10. Using the example as in illustration 9, but with the assumption that all cash flows are received at the beginning of each period. I stress again, it's at the beginning. Let's draw a timeline here. We're finding PVA. So the beginning period of 1 is at 0. So your cash flow at the beginning of period 1. Next, the beginning of period 2, beginning of period 3, and beginning of period 4. Let's use formula to find the answer. Using the table formula. Take note, this is annuity due, so you have this 1 plus k here. Substitute the figures in. Refer to the PVIR table to find the answer. Please make sure that you have the correct table. Next, we extract the answer. We are given k and n. The intersection is the answer we're looking for. Substitute the table answer into the formula, into the working. And we find the total answer is 3723.3. Ordinary annuity, the cash flow occurs at the end of the period. So it does not have any cash flow at the beginning. But for annuity due, the cash flow is at the beginning of the period. So it does not have cash flow at the end. Ordinary annuity versus annuity due. This is a formula for ordinary annuity, and this is a formula for annuity due. Please compare the two formulas. What is the difference? There's one slight difference here. It's 1 bracket 1 plus k in red. So take note, it's quite simple. Okay, the formulas are similar except there's a for annuity due has an extra 1 bracket 1 plus k. Annuity due has less 1 discounting period. These are the key difference for this between these two annuity. PV formulas. Okay, this is a summary of PV formulas. These are PV formulas we have learned so far.